Hi guys, in this video we talk about the iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max launched on September 2023 with the price tag of $1,199 and Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $999. The dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight of these devices. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max have 220 grams and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra have 223 grams. The build: the iPhone 15 Pro Max front and back glass and titanium frame, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the both mobile come with dual SIM. Talk about the display of these devices. The iPhone 15 Pro Max come with the LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED 16M color, and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color, and the screen size iPhone 15 Pro Max have 6.70 inches and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 6.82 inches, and the resolution of these devices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 1290 by 2796 pixels and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 2K screen resolution, and the PPI density: the iPhone 15 Pro Max have 460, and the refresh rate: the iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 120Hz and the same Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 120Hz refresh rate. And screen to body ratio: the iPhone 15 Pro Max 89.8%
camera
and Oppo Find X7 Ultra 91.3%. And the protection: the iPhone 15 Pro Max come with ceramic shield glass and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The screen brightness: the iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 2000 nits peak brightness and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 4500 nits peak brightness. And let's go to the camera setup. The iPhone 15 Pro Max come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 48 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel periscope telephoto, and TOF 3D ladder sensor, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. And the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with quad setup camera. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide 1 inch and the 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 50 megapixel 135mm periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. And the selfie camera: the iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 12 megapixel with SLR 3D biometrics and it's record 4K 30 fps video. And the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 32 megapixel camera and 4K 60 fps video record. Let's go to the platform of these devices. The iPhone 15 Pro Max come with hexa-core Cortex-X. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with octa-core with Cortex-X4 and the chipset. The iPhone 15 Pro Max come with Apple A17 Pro 3nm chipset and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor. And the GPU: iPhone 15 Pro Max come with Apple GPU 6-core and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Adreno 750. And iPhone 15 Pro Max iOS 17 operating system and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Android 14. The memory of these devices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 8GB of RAM and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. And the internal storage: the both devices come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and it had no available any SD card. And the battery of these devices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max have 4441 mAh battery and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery. And iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 23 watt fast charging and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 100 watt fast charging. The wireless charging: the iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 15 watt wireless charging and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 50 watt wireless charging. And the both mobile come with 5G network support. Common and features: the iPhone 15 Pro Max come with Face ID unlocking and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with under display fingerprint. And
comms and features:
other thing is same in both mobile. And the result of these devices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max go 20 points and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra go 25 points.